Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to create pre-QR codes in seconds here with a feature that's built right into a Google Chrome. So if I load up a Google Chrome, this is my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be showing you on how to quickly make a QR code for this. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up Google Chrome or open a new tab. So you can set this plus sign and then click to open this new tab. And then once you open up this new tab, and before to proceed, make sure your Google Chrome is up to date on the latest versions. Alright, so you need to update first before to enable or create pre-QR codes. So once you open up, and then in the very bottom right hand corner, you can see this customize Chrome, and then click, and then open up another option settings, and then here at customize Chrome, and then you need to scroll down, and then you can see this toolbar, and then click, and then here at toolbar, and then you need to scroll down again, and then under tools and actions, and then you can see this create QR code. Alright, so we need to enable this settings create QR code, and on right side you can see this button. So we need to enable and then click. So once you enable this create QR code, and then you can see now this on the top right corner, you can see now this create QR code icon here. Alright, and then we need to go back on the previous tab. This is my YouTube channel, and then on how to create a QR code in seconds. So on the top right corner, you can see this pre-QR code or create QR code icons, and then click only. And that's it, guys. And as you can see, guys, so this is now the QR code on my YouTube channel. Alright, so this is the very simple on how to create pre-QR codes on Google Chrome. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and to create pre-QR codes in Chrome on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.